Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x squared sy squared x to the power of 3 y to the power of 3. That is about degree number 3, and this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we do first the derivative of v. We have dv over dx multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. Now y we change by vs. This one we change by this one. Next, we simplify x to the power of 3 for the both sides, and we have v squared number 1 and v to the power of 3. Next, we divide both sides by v squared. Now we need to open parentheses. So v and v we simplify. Next, I will put v squared go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have v to the power of 3 over 3. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.